Ugh. This is gonna suck. This is gonna really suck. This is a lot of ice right here. As you guys can tell here, I have a massive bowl of ice and a 2-liter Fanta soda. Lately I've been seeing a challenge go around on YouTube where people, mainly like the ASMR channels, they can put in ice in a massive bowl along with the 2-liter soda. This is called the ice eating challenge. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube do it, but they haven't really finished the bowl. I'm gonna be attempting to eat in a massive bowl of ice and a 2-liter soda. This is a lot of ice here. I don't do too well with cold things because my brain freezes up like real quick. This right here is 5 pounds of ice with a 2-liter Fanta soda. Before I get started with this challenge, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. My entire mouth might get messed up from like this ice because it's gonna be feeling like I'm chewing rocks right here because this ice is like rock solid right now. Let's go. I think it's time to pour this entire 2-liter in this bowl with this 5 pound of ice, and we're gonna try to eat this and drink this as fast as possible. I don't know if all of this is gonna fit. Yo, that looks lit. This is a gallon bowl, so it should fit all of it right here. Wow, holy hell. I don't want to wait any longer before this ice melts. Fanta ice eating challenge in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, that's cold. That's really cold. Now we're ASMR. ASMR channels got nothing on me. This is definitely a cereal that you wouldn't want for breakfast. This is a lot of ice right here. This is cold. This is really cold. Also, another thing, I might actually have to go to the dentist after this because it feels like I'm breaking every tooth in my mouth right now. So, please smash the like button. It's too cold. Holy shit.
One eternity later.
As you guys can tell, I had to call it. This was freezing as hell. I probably say I did about like 75% of it. It's not too bad. We nearly finished it. That was my attempt at the massive bowl of ice and 2 liter challenge. Other than that, it was a pretty fun challenge. It was cool to test out. Comment down below if you eat ice as a snack. I don't. Actually, I don't see it being a snack, but I just wanted to test this out. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. If you're not yet already subscribed, you guys already know this. We're on the road to 2K. Lately, I've been uploading like various times, so make sure you guys also turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. That is gonna wrap it up this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you're new. Stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. And we're out.